you know, reprimand or pinakamabigat suspension, di ba? Because he's a member of the bench of the house. See, the thing is, talaga namang mabigat tong aming gagawing hearing mamayang hapon. Ngayon pala naibigatan na ako eh.
In your opinion, hanggang suspension lang po yung pinakamabigat, hindi naman to kick him out of the House of Representatives?
Balagay ko yan, oo. Either reprimand suspension. Oo.
Sa akin lang, no, just to add to that, I think this is also a lesson, no, for all of us, no, hindi lang ho sa isang sektor, pero for all of us, na pag ikaw po ay may nire-representa o lalo na pag nasa public service po ikaw, at saka lalong-lalo na pag you're holding a public office, kung opinion lang pong pag-uusapan dito, walang problema doon eh. We are all entitled to our own opinions. But if somebody ask an institution to withdraw support from a sitting administration, which basically all across the board violates not only that institution's mandate to follow and obey the chain of command, but to a point of provoking them, that would constitute a legal issue, no? So kaya it's also it's a wake up call to all of us na you are entitled naman to say your piece on certain matters, but to publicly provoke a certain institution to withdraw its support from a democratically elected administration, halimbawa government, that is something that borders legal concerns.
So there's nothing wrong in actually going against government policies eh. Pero yung tinatawag nating withdrawing support from the administration, I would even think that would be for a public servant to say that. Sa akin, that will even go to the borders of unconstitutionality, di ba? So talagang mabigat tong usapin na ito.